Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Faith and Flower. I'm Robin. This week I want to show you what I do for my weekly cleaning routine. So each day this week, Monday through Friday, I will show you the breakdown of how I accomplish all of my weekly tasks. These are not the tasks that I do every day, such as wiping the countertops and unloading the dishwasher. And it's also not the sort of detailed deep cleaning that I do on an 8-week rotating schedule. I use the zone cleaning method from the Fly Lady. And I would like to share those with you in future videos. But for now, I'm just showing you the way I break down my weekly tasks so that each day I have something to do, and hopefully by Friday I won't be doing all of those things at one time in an effort to get things in order for the weekend. Keep in mind that I'm just like you, and sometimes life gets in the way and this routine just doesn't happen. Sometimes I double up my tasks because I'm not able to accomplish something one day, and sometimes the whole week goes out the window for whatever reason. But this plan has worked for me pretty well ever since my kids were little, and it continues to work for my family. And I do understand that you may have another type of schedule that works for you better, and I just want to make some suggestions that you can incorporate into a plan for yourself to make your cleaning a little bit more easy to break down into bite-sized pieces and really accomplish things. And my goal is always to just try to get the house in sort of a presentable state for the weekend, and that also helps me relax and enjoy my weekend with my family. If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and please leave your comments below. My main goal on Mondays is to get all of our clothes washing done for the week, and that usually happens with about 4 loads. I do a light, a medium, and a dark wash, plus the delicates. You can see those on top of my washing machine, and I have this sorting bin. My son, who lives with us still at home, sorts his own clothes, but I wash them. I find this way to be the most efficient because this way I have 4 full loads of laundry, and because I have the washer and the dryer going on Mondays, the dryer doesn't have a chance to cool down in between, and that saves some electricity as well. I'm using the Melibrite Plus Oxy tabs for my whitewash, and I use the Melipower detergent in the Garden Lavender scent, which I love, from Melaleuca. All of the products that I use are from Melaleuca, except for what I use in the delicate wash. I will link all the products that I use in the description box below in case you're interested. I use wool dryer balls in the dryer in place of fabric softener most of the time, unless I have a lot of static, and then I'll put in one of the Melaleuca fabric softener sheets. I always try to check the clothes as I'm sorting them for any spots that need removing, and then I use the pre-spot stain remover from Melaleuca. This stuff really works, and it gets out just about every stain that my family has come up with. Because my son sorts his own clothes, I'll try to look things over and make sure there aren't any spots that need to be treated or that he hasn't left anything in the pockets. Out most of our shirts after they've been in the dryer for just about 10 minutes, and they're damp and very warm, and this helps get rid of a lot of the wrinkles. And I have a setting on my dryer that says damp that will give me a signal when this happens. It's about 10 minutes into the drying cycle. I remove them from the dryer, give them a little snap to get rid of some of the wrinkles, lay them flat, and then I hang them up over my washer and dryer to continue drying. Making me strong. For my delicates, I will often separate them into these mesh bags to keep them protected, and I bought those at Target. My favorite detergent is Delicate Wash from the laundress. When the Delicate Wash is finished, I will get everything out and hang it on a drying rack. My favorite place to fold laundry is in front of the TV, where I watch shows that I've missed during the week or catch up on YouTube videos. After I've had everything folded, I go ahead and put them away, and I'm just about finished with laundry for the week, which is a really great feeling. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and come back tomorrow, because each day this week I'm going to be showing a different day of my weekly cleaning routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.